says, if you have a guest suggestion, you should send it to PozProTV@AOL.com.
Oh, yes, and thank you so much. Welcome back here to the show. They all get excited when you bring out the wine. No, it's not you, Peggy.
It's the wine.
Yeah, that's
I
it.
know.
That's it. But when you
I've
talk
been here
about,
a time or two.
I always get excited when you come because this is. No, because of you. No.
I was wondering where that one was going.
This is
our only.
This is our only, wine being, made right here in Delaware. It just excites me for somebody like, first of all, female entrepreneur going into this. I mean, that's a struggle in itself, and then
let alone unheard of.
And in a state that didn't allow it. I mean, you had to go battle. I mean, that's 14 years now, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had to go battle and get it approved.
91, I got the legislation through, and then 93 we opened. So.
Yeah. What else did you get approved to grow? No. I mean,
that was enough.
More legislation.
I wondered about that. You know how they say the grapes get better after the plants continually go through season after season, different generations.
That's true.
That would be true for both.
For what?
I don't know.
What's he talking about?
I don't know.
Going back to the wine. The wine, though, because this is award-winning wines, Kevin. When I say
That's
that,
right.
you just keep winning award after award after award.
It's a beautiful thing. We have a very competent winemaker with him. I'm very proud of his efforts. We took 8 medals last year in international competition, and the actual medal cycle has just started again, where we're sending things into competition. So just last week, we were notified that the Chardonnay and the Meadows Edge that I brought today are the most recent medal winners.
Oh, wow.
So that's like 10 already.
Yeah, 10 this year.
Without trying.
But it's amazing to me because these go up against some of the best wines
in the world, not just the country. We actually, the competitions we enter are international competitions, so we are on the playing field with everybody from California to France to Italy to in between.
Well, I know you impress our government so much that they have you every year come back
for United States Congress, and at the end of it's always the last night before the congressional break, the summer break.
Right.
So we do that event, Taste America, over in D.C.
Yeah, and I've been doing that they keep inviting you back year
We're the only
after.
winery in the country that's been invited all 14 years.
Yeah,
wow.
You keep coming back, but it's just great wine. Kevin's starting to drool. I don't know if
salivating.
you noticed it or not, but he is.
So let's taste some.
Let's
taste some.
Okay, we're going to start with, what is this?
This is the Chardonnay. This was just one of the recent medal winners, but I thought I would bring some lighter, fun wines for summer.
Well,
we do
after
reds.
This many years, you would know better.
What? Give you more.
This
than
is a tasting,
we're
Kevin.
taste.
We're just tasting. We're not.
There's plenty more where that came from.
Let's find the one you like before.
So this is a nice accompaniment to seafood.
This is very nice.
Chicken, fish, poultry, that kind of stuff.
Very summery.
Very summery. Everything I brought today are wines that are great for summer.
I love to just sit around and just sip wines, and there's nothing better to sip than Napa Valley.
And she's got great legs.
Oh, and the wine does too.
But
That is very light.
Yeah.
I like that.
Very nice.
Yeah, that is a good summer one. Now, this is called what
That's
again?
the Chardonnay.
Chardonnay, and you can get this, because I don't want to forget about letting people know that they can get this wine through the internet here locally.
No, we don't have an online store. We do have a website, which is www.nassauValley.com. And we're in the process right now of redoing our website to make it more interactive. But we're in statewide distribution throughout Delaware. We're in stores throughout Delaware. So and of course you can always come to the winery.
Which is a great thing to do, and let me give you a reason to come to the winery.
Absolutely. Here we go.
Because this summer, Kevin, summer wines, summer festivals.
Summer concert series.
Yeah,
That's
and something you started last year and it was so successful with, and thought, well, let's just keep it going.
Yeah.
Because before we get into that, now, because you have to interrupt some major money coming in to do this, and that's weddings.
Yeah.
Because the facilities at Napa Valley is just spectacular. They built a whole big building there that they can accommodate. How many can you accommodate inside there now?
Most comfortable is about 150 to 175, but we do a lot of weddings of 200 or more. It's just a matter of a 10 extension on the building. But then again, I mean, with the concerts, we can do. I have one client that does a dance party with us. It easily sees about 1,500 people.
Yeah.
1,000 to 1,500 people for the party. It just
Right,
it
right.
depends
So-
on what you're trying to do
And in the
what
summer,
the
they
setup
could
is.
just spill out onto the grounds.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and then
that's
you
cool.
put tents up,
There's
whatever
a
you need to
museum.
do.
Do they get to do that part of the wedding
Absolutely.
tour? Hit the
Yeah.
museum.
It's all
The
there
winery
because,
tour's always open.
Yeah, because it's just nice. I want if you're thinking of any kind of doing an event, you want something different, something special, you definitely check it out. You can check that out on the website as well,
Yeah,
I guess.
absolutely.
But let's get back to the concert series because that's coming up, and you got your first one. When?
The first one is Thursday, June 21st, so it is the summer solstice.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is Delaware's favorite party band, the Funsters.
The
They
Funsters.
are a 10-piece party band.
Right.
Absolutely fun. Big horn section.
Do they play while they're tasting wine?
Yes, they play while they're
Speaking of
tasting wine.
Well, yeah.
Speaking of tasting wine.
Before we go more into the concert series, let's let Peggy
Let's do
lean
it.
forward again and pour some more wines.
That's right.
Did you ever think of barmaiding? I mean, you probably did that at one time.
Maybe in
That would be
a
tending to
past
bar-
life.
Yeah.
This is the Cape Rosé, which is another great summer wine. This is a perfect seafood wine. You're going to get a lot of fruit up front, but it finishes dry, falls away nice and clean. So this is spectacular with things like steamed clams, steamed mussels, crabs,
is.
shrimp.
Now, when you say a lot of fruit, you mean a lot of the grape? Or do
Well,
you,
you
in the
get a lot of
blending,
fruitiness
there's-
up front when it's actually part of the flavor there. So you're getting a lot of the full fruity flavors, and then you'll notice that it finishes dry. Although it is pink, it is not a blush wine or
This
a white
is very,
Zinfandel.
very nice. This one, you tasted it, Kevin? Don't
just
taste
did.
any more of it. I'm
Don't
taking
ta-
that one with me.
Yeah, that's good.
and the one before that, and probably next to. So
There you have it.
but these are very nice. This would be great for some, some clams and.
Yeah, perfect with that. It's a great seafood
yeah,
wine.
I like that.
Well, now, let me ask you this, because you said that, and like my stepfather is this big wine guy, right? He's all the swirl and that stuff.
Right.
So as I understand it, like when you say it's fruity up front, that's the front part of your tongue, and then you get the tannins and the acids on the back
On
end.
the back, yes, but you'll notice that when I say it's fruity up front, you get it. It's almost deceptive. It almost seems sweeter than it is.
Yeah.
So you're getting a lot of the big fruit there, and then as you swallow, you realize that it finishes dry.
Yeah.
You get that nice bit of acidity.
Speaking of dry.
Yeah.
He's ready to go again.
What a segue.
Between each wine, we've got to punch the concert series here.
That's right.
Yeah. So because the first one, once again, is coming.
The first one is Thursday, June 21st. All of the concerts are 6 to 9 p.m. It's $25 in advance or $30 at the door, but your ticket price also includes 2 drink tickets and a food ticket with Bethany Blues Barbecue.
Oh, wow.
They have partners with us. Also, our distributor, NKS, is partnered with us, so our other sponsors for the concert are Bud Light, Corona, and Sam Adams. So if you don't happen to be a wine drinker, you can come and have a beer. Somebody's got to keep my friends in the brewing industry in business.
Right. So.
So all of that, you can find out more information by calling the winery at 302-645-WINE. Last 4 digits spell wine, so that's easy.
Okay, well, they're giving us a signal. I want to get these wines in, so you go ahead and do that. I'm going
Okay.
to remind everybody once again, it's $25 in advance to get your tickets. The first series is taking place on the Thursday, the 21st.
That's correct.
The
and that's
second
the
one is
Funsters.
July.
8th. That is the Jack of Diamonds reunion, also 8th day reunion.
Big
Big
Jack of
event.
Big
Diamonds.
event. And we close out with Sin City Band on August 14th.
Right, and Kevin, what do poor Kevin to taste this time?
Kevin is, well, actually, both of you are tasting the Meadow's Edge, which is another one of our most recent medal winners. This is a semi-sweet white. This is a nice sort of summer sipping wine with some cheese and some bread. You're going to get a little sweetness there. That one's a little bit sweeter.
Very much sweeter
Yeah.
than the first one. I think so, yeah.
And the other big news that we have, our Nassau Valley
they're telling
news
me
was,
we got to go.
yeah,
For
was
more
We had 8
information,
minutes.
for more
got 8
time,
minutes.
we're gone. For more information, everything, the website once again.
is NassauValley.com.
You're going to come back and sing for us.
Yes.
All right, well, stay with us. We'll be right back right after this.
Yep.